Kanigari Gadudashan Meghalaya, bring Piang Sobai people or Shakatukuam Takajan Mit, Shaban Pai Kupar Kababinia, Guinea Pichikmat Kongsan. Snokia, Katanat Kakot Kakia, Halor Kajinkio, Kibaklat, Nakajimpang Rabies. Katanat Kakot Kakia, Kalapundon Kam, Daki ambulance, 4x4, Ban Pinbha, Hakajing Ijing Sumar. Yaro ulat ia ke Shillong Law College halor ke jing penwandur ia ke jing jing perkat hakal yang kaan. Betha ke Sarkar Jilla ia ke AAI ha Shillong Airport ban ASHA ia ke Lingsun ke Bekit ia ujagat Guru Shankar Acharya Swami. Bat yo ka Shnong Umden bat mau plang ya ka nam Best Tourism Village apo sau na katnat jngok kai jong ka sarkar pedeng halor ka jing tibet ha ka jing than jan da kiti bat ki jing pensa nam. Ki kubor ki babnya katnat ka kot ka kya jong ka jila Meghalaya kala penpau ya ka jing sokya halor ka jing kiu ki bayo ya ka jing pang Rabies ha ka ba ki bala don hadu arpo nyongut ki bala klat no ha pedeng usnam arpo lai bat nailur jong usnam arpo sau ka menteri katnat ka kot ka kya I Dr. Amprin Lingdo ila batai ya kane ka jing long jing man kum ka bas ngau shir khai bha bat ila banjur ya ka jing don kam ban le mardor kenthop ya ka jing penlong ka jing pikir bnya bat ka jing I inject ya so, Kamtam Haki district ki bala shak ta abha kata ka West KHASI Hills but West Giant Hills.
This question and answer round.
So usually a rabies vaccination is the responsibility of a citizen. There is also a talk that rabies vaccination are not available, etc., etc., etc. Hence now we are committing to the state that we will ensure that up to the PHC level, there should be rabies vaccination available.
Ha ka jing persang ban penbha ya ka jing ai jing sumar haki jaka ba bat balong riat katanat ka kot ka kya jong ka sarkar jilla kala pendon kam ya ki kaliket nongpang 4x4 ki balala ban yat habaro ki jaka. Haka jing kren bat kinong thok khubor ki he ka kot ka khia ki lakam baka jing shakri jong ka kaliket nongpang 108 ka tere kam menta ha ki 100% teli ki jaka bat ki jing thumu ki dang yat shakhaman ban pinyar ya ka jing tere kam jong ka shaki wei pat ki jaka us secretary katanat ka kot ka khia Uram Kumar S ulakdo baladep pentere kam santeli ki kaliket nongpang 4x4 bat sasanteli ki dang don halenti bat dang thit ru sakumbash poteli ki ban ai jing shakri shaki jaka nong kendong.
Asked on the
4x4 ambulances are not in manufacturing at all. So you have to get a 4x4 vehicle and fabricate it and do it. It's a whole different exercise you have to do. So we have finally done that. 5 ambulances have already been given in the facilities. Another 5 have been procured separately. But there is one facility level ambulances, which means PHC, CHA, district level ambulances, number 1. Number 2 are the Chief Minister's Safe Motherhood Scheme fleet. These are vehicles which have been tied up by the decentralized way by the facility locally so that any pregnant woman, child who has requirement of a vehicle to transport to the hospital to a higher facility to diagnostics or back to dropping them home, they can utilize it. This
Ulat ka Jilla Meghalaya CH Vijay Shankar hinin kasngi ula ai ka jingero ya ka Shillong Law College halor ka benta bakongsan jongka hakaba penwandur ya ki jingmut jing perkhat jongka an bat banyo banno sinyang shakarukam bishar bat ka an jongka Jilla. Hakani ka jing rakhi ya ka Diamond Jubilee jong kani ka college ulat ula ai khuble kerpang ya ka Shillong Law College kabala kenjo ya umau mer ban rupus nam hakani ka jing shakri jong kani ka college hakate ka sngi lapun ku puram ya usembut kongsan u justice HS thank you Justice Wan Lora Dingdo but Justice B Patachaji ki balong kinong bishar ka Meghalaya High Court. Lapin ya ki program baper ki bapin ya ka jing ya lenti katika college bat ka jing yo khet ya uso ka balong shibantan jong kani ka jing rakhe.
Thank you, sir.
I pay my respects to all the founding members who have started the first law college in the state, able to give such a high level of quality education in the state of Meghalaya. It is indeed a proud moment to have among us the two sitting judges of Meghalaya High Court who are the alumni of Shillong Law College. I would like to compliment the principal and the members of governing body of the college for their dedicated service to the institution. The college
Kaseng HYC West KHASI Hills District hinin kasngi kalarake ya kalingku sngi yam kaba khandai jong uba hoping stone lingdo ubadei uriu pau khmat halor ka jingya ka japot hakani ka than bat ka jila Assam la penlong ya ka jingya lang ken mau buram ya u ha umat sa nam ha ka shnong mau kale ha ka ba labu ya kisentiu ha ka te kasngi la ya don lang ki bahi yang hasem kinong ya lam shnong bat kinong mi khmat jong kaseng HSPDP kunthop ya u MLA ka mau shnrut uba Methodius Dakar bat u president ka HSPDP u KP pangyang Kaseng Voice of the People's Party kalaya kendu ya u executive engineer katanat PWD roads jong ka kli riat division East Giant Hills man kerpat man maramot no mardor ya ka surok dekia sutnga saipung molsei bat haflong ka balas neu palat la bun snam menta ha ka kerwo bala ai da uba dami wanhi El Rimbai Organizing Secretary la banjur bakani ka surok kalong kalinti ka bakongsan ka papenya so ya kishnong jong ka district bat kiwei pat kishnong ki bahap hapo ka 5th sut nga saipung constituency kani ka surok ka ai shibon ki jingmentoy ya kinong shong shnong
kan hun jong ka Voice of the People Party
NBC dihadir kato kala sya ik hongrang na dus nem arjar katang Hagajing yang duk jongi ya u executive engineer nakaliang jong umi sinotanan ba nakaliang jong ka office kala shinkia ya kaban shna ya ka DPR ban shna ya ka estimate lani kita ki overview statement ka ba nakaliang ui ula dep submit cha u CE ban nakaliang jong CE ula tho cha u secretary jong PWD na du banai jun
Hakaway ka jingkanra basay so ka Anti-Narcotics Task Force lani ka ANTF jong ka East KHASI Hills hakasngi balang ringkat ki pulit ka Lumding Juri Police Station bat ka Jalupara Outpost kila penlong ya ka jingkanra drug ha Jalupara kat kum ka jingathu jong Superintendent of Police iba Sylvester Nongtenger ila ong bakani ka jingkanra la pensyong nongrim lingba ka jingtip balayo tikna ha ka ba layo ban kemno ya ka ASHA khatun balatip ru dakapahari kabadei ka nong shong shnong jong ka Lower Palton Bazaar Shillong ha kani ka jingkanra ki bor pinya kila yo ban kurup hadu nyopu lightly ki song u drug heroin ubakia khandai point nyopu gram sautili ki mobile phone bat kapisa ka bakot ar punyo hajar sauspa shipoutingka
Amayas, popularly known as Pahari. She is about 50 years of age and she is the resident of Lower Paltan Bazaar, Shillong. So during the raid, we got heroin from her, weighing 9.72 grams. Then of course we got also 4 mobile phones and a cash from her, 27,410.
Ka Sarkar Jilla kalabatha ikibor penyat ka Airport Authority of India jong ka Shillong Airport bakimdei ban ailat ya ka ling sun jong ujagat Guru Shankar Acharya Swami ban hiar hakani ka kat ling sun jong ka Shillong u Chief Secretary uba DP Walang ulapan pau baka jingelang jong ka high level ka bala long hinne kasngi layatai sani bha halor kani ka benta ulayat hu ru baka sarkar kalapan klan bha yaki jing pahara hasilenter ka nong ba ban pentikna yaka shongsuk shongsan hadien ka jing persang badang shan ban penlong yaka jingelang pat ba hanong ba Shillong ban persha yaka jing bam dok masi ha kani ka jingelang lawan menishim benta da u Chief Secretary u DGP bat u SP ka Ribhoy bat na East KHASI Hills
chartered flight landing tomorrow in Mumbai. We have assessed the situation all around both Rabies district after consulting the Deputy Commissioner as well as consulting the district authorities of Shillong. Shillong in East KHASI's section 144, which is now section 163 of the BNSS, has already been promulgated, prohibiting any sort of rally and meetings. And likewise, Rabies district is also following on the same pattern.
Ka office jong ka district medical but health officer ka Southwest KHASI Hills district hinin kasni kala sam ki Android tablet shabaro ki ASHA but ki ASHA facilitator jong ki district kum shibenta ban penbha ya karukom terekam jong ki ASHA ya kani ka program la penlong hamini secretariat laj lausang but ha kani ka program la ya donlang u MLA kamau kerwat iba Renington El Tongkar kum kongsan haringkat kajinya don lang jong i district program manager NHM IP Mausar nalor kiwepat haba ai jingkren ha kanika program uba Tongkar ulaong baki ASHA ki dei ki pelatip bah kum kita kinong trei monsngo bah ki patrei shitom ha ki shnong ki thau ban yarap ya ki brio ki papang ki beshitom khamtam ya ki long kemi ki ba armet ban penpoi shaki jakasumar artali ki shnong napo kajilla kashnong umden bat mau plang kila shajid kum ka best tourism village arpusau na katanat jungokai jong ka sarkar pedeng da ka ba ithu ya ka jing tibet jongki haki kam shna jing shna bat ki jing pensanam hang ni ka don ka khubor
kashnong umden ka bahari boy district kala pau lo ka jing tibet pan shna pen wan dore ki jing shna babun jat ha ka badang shen kala yo ka nam best tourism village ha ka liang ki jing shna ling ba ka tangat jungokai kinong than jan dakakti nakani ka than kila pen pawe ka jingman jongki panyo ya kani ka khusnam bat kila pen skam ya ka jingkular jongki pandang yai tre shitom ha kani ka kam
ka jing snow ka jinga halor kane ka jingjin jongki ya kane ka snong ka ka umdan ba la yo ya ka best village tourism madam da ka jing snow komen ka bakrau khamtam engi kinong than jan ki bala kini kinong than jan ya kini ki janyer dia ke babun hi kinong thanjan ne hapo snong jongi hapo umden ki im dak ka kam thanjan bat ni la yo kam im jak po na kane ka kam ka bang thanjan balang ba jong jing rap jong ine hala ban hiang hala jong kidan bat ka jing rap hi ru na ka district handum ka bang yo na ki babun ki jing rap na ki wan ki lum ki masien bat ka jing kner joki la ki jong ki bat ka jing ai man sem ku jong ki hilong ku bang hilong hadu ha ka por ha ka bakong ka umden diwan ngilayo ya ka dikliar landi ka ri ka snong landi ka jaka blati ka kum ka jaka khanya dia berbau je semu ya ka Meghalaya hi ka bla dikliar landi ka bla ai ni na ka aturi utori atip arhajar apui bla itu ya ka ni ka snong jongi kum ka jaka thanjan
atip ya ka kum ko umden diwan dan ni ka snong eriksel ka pau nam na ka benta ka jing pen mi ki jing than jan da ka ti pa ka jing pen mi ya ka jan eri kala nang ki yo shaprang ka jing pen mi ya ka jan eri kala pen ma shibun ya ka jing im jong ki nong than jan trai ri ha ka ba kala kan tiu ya ka yo ka kon ka ba nong kam jong ki long yeng long sam ka jing ithu ya ka ni ka snong kum ka ja ka jong kai per thai ka pau nam la ka mi len ti ma kan pen kiu ya ka jing dawa ya ki ni ki mar na ka liang MLA ko nong po constituency la pen pa ko jing sungu halor ka jing presh tom jong ki nong than jan da ka ti Paula pen skuru ya ka jing kermen makin dangai teng ban job nang ni skmat kani ka khusnam kam pen pau tang ka jing start jong ka snong umden hendai ka long ru kum ka jing pen kala ya ka roi ka par jong ka than da ka pen mi ya ki jan e result bakar pang jong ki bat ki rukom than jan ki nong song snong ki thumu ban pen mi ya ka jing so tanat ka bakham khrau ha ka kam than jan jong ki bat ban pen roi ya ka lawe ka ba ne nak benta ka im lang sa lang jong ki Bureau Reports DD News Meghalaya
Mentapat ini pet ya kajing long jiman kasun beneng hanong ba Shillong. Kajing kriat kalong khatsan 0.9 degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpusau 0.2 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong prapupra nak shispa menstem bat prapupra nak shispa janmit. Kala bandon kajing hap slap bat kajing tit uperthat haki babun ki jaka. Syaban poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor ngini pet biang sesisin yakimat pokongsan. Ngau kia ketenat kekot kekia halau ke jingkiu ki baklat na ke jingpang Rabies. Katanat kakot kakia kalau pendon kam daki ambulance 4x4 man penbha haka jing ai jing sumar. Yaro ulat ya ke Shillong Law College halor ka jing penwandur ya ki jing mut jing perkat haka liang ka an. Bethak ke sorkar jelah ya ka AAI has Shillong Airport man ASHA ya ka lingsun ka bakit ya jagat guru Shankar Acharya Swami. Bat yo ka Shillong umdan bat mau plang ya ka nam best tourism village apa sao nak katnat jengok kai halor ka sorkar pedeng halor ka jing tebit ha ka than bat ya ka jing pensana. Di palok katung ila poi syak bokot jang katuk kuba jang minta ka janbit hadu mendai syam yang mat pila syai kasni kublai pi baro.
Bonds of humanity, which are much needed at the moment. Addressing a World Tourism Day event in New Delhi on Friday, Dhankar said tourism contributes massively to peace. He noted that the entire world is yearning for peace. The Vice President mentioned that any conflict in any part of the globe is a torture to every part of the land as it disrupts the supply chain. Dhankar emphasized that the theme of World Tourism Day this year, tourism and peace, has great relevance. He